Hello everyone. Welcome back to our English learning channel. Today we will learn English through a magical and meaningful story. The title of today's story is The Magic Letter. In this lesson, you will improve your listening, learn useful vocabulary, and practice speaking English. So relax, listen carefully, and enjoy the story. Tom lived in a small town with his parents. Every day he went to school and came home quietly. Tom was a shy boy. He did not talk much. One afternoon, when Tom came home, he saw something strange. There was a letter on the table. It had his name on it. Tom looked surprised. "I never receive letters," he said. He slowly opened the letter. Inside there was a short message. It said, "Believe in yourself." Tom felt confused. Who sent this? He wondered. The next day, Tom went to school. He felt nervous in class. The teacher asked a question. Tom knew the answer, but he was afraid to speak. Then he remembered the letter. Believe in yourself. Tom took a deep breath. He raised his hand. "Yes, Tom," the teacher said. Tom answered the question. "Correct." The teacher smiled. Tom felt happy and proud. After school, Tom returned home. Again there was a letter on the table. He opened it quickly. This time it said, "Keep trying." Tom smiled. Every day Tom received a new letter. Each letter had a simple message. Be kind, work hard, never give up. These words gave Tom confidence. He started talking more. He made new friends. He smiled more often. One day, Tom asked his parents, "Who is sending these letters?" His parents smiled gently. "We are," they said. "We wanted to help you believe in yourself." Tom felt warm inside. He hugged his parents. From that day, Tom no longer needed magic letters because he believed in himself. Now let's learn some important words from the story. Letter. A letter is a written message sent to someone. Example, Tom received a letter. Believe. Believe means to feel sure that something is true. Example, Tom learned to believe in himself. Message. A message is information sent to someone. Example, the letter had a positive message. Confidence. Confidence means feeling sure about yourself. Now, let's listen again. This time, listen slowly and repeat. Tom found a letter at home. It said, "Believe in yourself." He felt nervous at school, but he tried. He answered a question. He felt proud. Every day he received a new message. The letters helped him grow. He became more confident. Now let's practice speaking. Repeat after me. I believe in myself. I can do it. I will keep trying. I am confident. Excellent work. Great job today. You just learned English through the story The Magic Letter. Remember, sometimes the magic we need is already inside us. If you enjoyed this story, please like the video and subscribe for more English learning stories. See you in the next lesson. Happy learning English!